For replacement 10 parts, please contact customer service with your previous order number. Locate the broken truss cap on your frame. With the screwdriver, unscrew one of the screws holding the truss cap to the truss bar. Repeat this step for the remaining screws holding the truss cap into place. Now, push the middle truss bar out of the cap and then pull up on the cap to remove it from the other truss bars. With your new truss cap, align the bar mounts with the truss bars. The flat side will face the outside of the frame. Place the truss cap in the middle truss bar as shown and rotate the cap down 90 degrees. Slide the remaining truss bars into the cap's mount, making sure the screw holes align. For the last step, grab your screwdriver and reinsert one of the screws into the aligned holes. Now screw tightly. Repeat this step for the remaining screws.